Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on iPhone. So actually it is very easy, but first of all you need to go and make sure that you have an eligible iPhone for eSIM. So as you can see, most iPhones launched since the iPhone XS and XR models are compatible with eSIM. So basically if you have an older iPhone, it means you are not eligible for eSIM. So when you make sure that you are eligible, go back and open settings on your device, and first of all go to the Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi with an internet connection, otherwise it won't basically work. Then go back and go and click on mobile service right here. Scroll a little bit, you will find add eSIM button, so click on it. Wait a little bit until it will load and you will have here several options. So the first option is transfer from nearby iPhone, and it basically means that if you have an eSIM on your older iPhone and it is Bluetooth on, you can simply click on transfer from nearby iPhone and will automatically transfer the old eSIM from old iPhone to your new iPhone. Then if you do not have an old iPhone with an old eSIM, you can just simply click on use QR code. So you can scan the QR code from the eSIM or from any document that is related to this eSIM, and it will automatically activate eSIM on your phone. Or basically you can click on enter details manually in the end of the screen, and you can just simply manually enter the numbers for your eSIM and then click next in the top right corner. And basically that is it. That is how you can activate eSIM on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.